Hey, this is our culinary camp here at Potomac Senior High School. It's driven by taste. And what we're doing is trying to get all the basic foods that's in your house to make sure that the students can cook anything they want. This week is baking. We're baking hand pies, sweet and savory, empanadas, sweet and savory, and homemade cinnamon rolls.
So we're making apple hand pies. So over here is our filling for our pies. It turned out a little too watery and we added the cinnamon, but it still tastes good.
It's good to have them come outside the house to do something if they feel like they're hungry, just to make sure they're doing something with their hands.
I like being part of a summer camp because I get to make new friends, build strong friendships, and really just have fun.
I just like baking and cooking in general, and I thought that being in a camp for that would be fun.
So this year, I hope the camp students learn independence, not to rely on their parents, not to rely on somebody else, to get up and do something. Just go in the kitchen and to, not even just go in the kitchen, life skills. Something other than just sitting there bored at home. You could do something fun as unique as hand pies.